Hey y'all, this is Bert with In the Kitchen with Bert and Linda, and today we got to make a special treat. We're going to make cherry pineapple cobbler. Now first off, we got the cherry pie filling, and well, the first thing, let me back up. The very first thing is we're going to take a 9 by 12 pan. We're going to spray it. We've already sprayed it. Linda did that a while ago. But anyway, we're going to take the cherry pie filling and just scrape it out and put it in the plate, in the pan. Let's get it all out. Hey, she told me this is going to be easy, guys. Anyway, we got it. Now we're going to just spread it out around. Then we're going to put in the pineapple. This is crushed pineapple.
It's a whole can.
And this is a full 12-ounce can. And then we're just going to blend it up and try to squish it around and try to get it all blended in as best we can. What you want to do is have a little bit of the flavor of each ingredient as you go through. Let me ask the coach, is that good enough? All right. The coach said I was in good shape, so we'll stop there. Then we're going to take the pound cake mix from White Lily. And this is the box it comes in right here. We're going to take this and just sprinkle it all around. And it's turned out to be a beautiful day. It was cloudy earlier, but it's sun shining now. We really, like a lot of places, we need some rain, but I guess the good Lord will send it whenever He gets ready to. Now, I'm going to take and just kind of spread this out just a little bit. And once we get that fairly uniform as we can, then we're going to take some butter pats, and I was instructed to put the butter pats around, and that's what we're going to do now.
So you got a 4-ingredient cake, cobbler.
So I'm told this is a 4-ingredient cobbler. So we got the cherry, then the pineapple, then the flour mixture, and then the butter. So that's 4. And that's all layered out. Man, I did better than I thought I could.
I know, you did good.
That's pretty.
Now what you going to do with it?
Now we're going to put it in a 350-degree oven and let her cook for 45 minutes, and then we'll see you soon. Okay, we're back, folks. Hope y'all are doing good. And here's our beautiful cobbler. It actually, we cooked this for probably about an hour, I would say. And it sure smells good. Now we're going to do a little taste test. And Linda, how much do you want?
Oh, just a little bit. It's very hot.
It's extremely hot, so we may have to let it sit for a little bit, guys.
And I want a little Cool Whip on, well, not Cool Whip, I want some whipped topping on mine. Let me get some.
How much is a little? Is that enough?
Oh yeah, just a taste.
Okay, now we've got some whipped topping on it. This is how it looks in the bowl. So this really is going to be a keeper, and we're going to probably make this again in the future. So anyways, for now, just remember to subscribe, like, and share out our videos. And guys, I'm telling you, this is really just 4 ingredients, simple to make. Y'all take care, and remember, God loves you, and so do we, and we'll see you soon. Bye now.